What is up, YouTube? We are back with the official video that you guys have all been waiting on, and that is the 21 Fat Tire giveaway. It looks like I whooped up on all your asses and you all commented for the most part and got that last video to get a decent amount of traffic, which means I know you guys are watching. So what are we gonna do? What are you gonna get and how are you gonna get it? We're gonna ship your bike up here. We're gonna do the install, film the install, get you up here, film the unveil, and get you on your way with a badass setup that's almost worth $8,000 when it's all said and done. What's this kit gonna include for you? We're gonna get you a choice of our guy Jad's front wheel in black with dual matching rotors. Got to get you the triple trees because if you don't know what a 21 fatty is, it's actually the size of 23 skinny. Front fender with matching paint, all install, all said and done, and get you on the road, make you look good. Just so you know, before you do this entry, it's for a 99 and up only bagger. If you don't have that, you're gonna have to get one if you win at this point. If you do decide to do chrome, we're gonna actually have to add an additional 4 to 5 weeks to order the chrome setup, so that way we have it here, but we'll still get you taken care of. So let me flip it around here. So starting off from the front, like I said, we're gonna have 21 Fat Tire, 5.5 inch front fender, ready to go. We're gonna get this guy paint match for you. What are we gonna do here? We got your triple trees. These are gonna be your 23 trees, your rake. Gotta make them look good, so we gotta give you the gloss black fork legs if you don't have them already done. These are done by our guy Loco. Custom fork cans for your Fat Tire kit. You got your dual matching rotor. Like I said, you're gonna get the choice of Jad, front wheel, fat, like you got it, and then you get your V rubber Fat Tire, all installed, all ready to go. Send you on your way. All you have to do is go to fbombbaggers.com, go to anywhere in our shopping cart, buy any apparel, any hat. You're gonna automatically get entered. You buy one product, you're automatically entered for one. If you buy anything, 2 or more, you're automatically gonna get double entry on all those products. So what we're gonna do is go live on January 2nd, do a drawing, pick the winner, and go from there and get your ass up here to get you their 21 Fat Tire install. Make sure you watch all our videos for all the updates. And just be warned, I'll never make a post saying that you won anything on any comments. I will only make a video to give the live drawing away. We got scammers going on and they're going crazy right now through a comment, and we're trying to block them. So like I say before, drop a comment, hit that notification bell, and don't forget, hit that subscribe button. Go to fbombbaggers.com. We're live. You got the new t-shirts that just dropped, the Fat Tire baggers, our old school dope shit brings hate quick, and don't forget our big wheel Fat Tires and Freedom t-shirts are available now, along with a whole bunch of different fitted hats. So how are you gonna win? All you have to do is go to fbombbaggers.com, go to our shop, pick any apparel, any hat, and you're automatically gonna get one entry. Should you get more than one item, you're gonna get double entries for each of those items. So pay attention when you receive your apparel that you check for the tickets that are inside, because those will be the winning tickets that we call for when we do the live video. So fbombbaggers.com, we'll see you there.